Hi guys, I've got a Era rim cylinder here. I'm going to pick it straight out of the packet because that worked so well last time. Ah man! Okay, let's cut this open. Half the difficulty is just getting it out of the packet. Throw the rest of that away. Okay, there's the cylinder. And let's try the key. As expected, it does work. There's the bitty on the key. Just pop it in the vise, see how I get on. Really need to stop buying so many locks. I feel the burden of so many unpicked locks weighing on my soul. Hopefully not this one. This is not going to be added to the great burden. Okay, that's right way up. Okay, if you can see that, just tilt the camera up a bit. I've got one of these spider tripods, they're rubbish. Don't buy one. Okay, I'm going to use my standard tools of attack. Here's the bottom of the keyway. And the mighty clom hook. Just need to get that angled right. Hope you can still see that. Okay, let's just start at the back. Stuck on pin 3 here. I'll try that one again in a minute. Not getting many clicks out of this. Okay, I think that's pin 1 and 2. Tailpiece keeps flapping around. Oh, there we are. It's picked open. Pleased with that. That's my first out of the packet pick. Thanks for watching. See you next time.